Hello and welcome to HamShack TV, the ultimate hub for all things amateur radio. Whether you're a new amateur radio operator, maybe just checking it out, or you're a seasoned ham radio operator, there's always something here for you. I'm Josh Marler, AA4WX, and I'm a proud ham radio operator since 2010. My story began with fascination for how radio waves connect people across the globe. It all began a few months before I got my license when I had picked up a Radio Shack scanner. It had a ham radio button in it. And from that point on, I hit that ham radio button and heard the 470 Amateur Radio Group net, and I was hooked. From my first QSO to all the way to passing my extra class license, this hobby has shaped my life and introduced me to an amazing community. On HamShack TV, we cover everything you love about amateur radio, including tips and tutorials for operating and building and upgrading your station, event coverage from major ham fests and conventions, interviews with top operators, YouTubers, and radio enthusiasts, and real-time operations, FT8, Skywarn nets, Hurricane Watch net, and much more. But what sets HamShack TV apart? It's you, the community. I'm not just here to talk to you, I'm here to talk with you. Every live stream, every video, every comment, I'm all about making the most interactive ham radio channel on YouTube. Your feedback shapes this channel. You have a question? I'll answer it. Have a topic suggestion? Let's explore it together. Want to share your ham radio story? I want to hear it. We make a video about it. My mission is simple: to inspire, educate, and connect ham radio enthusiasts everywhere. Together, we'll keep this incredible hobby thriving. So what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join me on this incredible journey through the world of ham radio. Let's make contacts, share stories, and keep the airwaves alive. See you on the air. HamShack TV, where ham radio comes to life.